Hello everyone. Welcome to the All to See channel. In this video, we will talk about some of the animals that only exist on the Australian continent. Feel free to relax and let's get started. In our first video, we talked about the most venomous snakes in the world, and most of them are native to Australia. Today, we will further explore the wildlife of this continent that is abundant in biodiversity. The most famous of these animals is the kangaroo, which is a symbol of Australia where it is very common. There are over 50 species, including the large kangaroos and the smaller ones called wallabies. Kangaroos are marsupials. They are born incomplete and finish their development inside a pouch that females have. One of the most well-known species is the red kangaroo, which is the largest marsupial in the world. It is herbivorous and requires a lot of food to sustain itself. Kangaroos can be found in deserts, forests, mountains, and even in parks and streets in cities. Our next character is not as famous as kangaroos, but it is certainly an animal worth knowing. Echidnas are mammals, but they lay eggs. Yes, they lay eggs. Females lay only one egg, which is incubated in an abdominal pouch. In 10 days, the egg hatches, and the offspring continues to feed on milk through pores, as echidna females do not have nipples. They look similar to hedgehogs. They have a long beak and a long tongue that they use to feed on insects such as ants and termites, similar to an anteater. This is why they were nicknamed spiny anteater. Another marsupial on our list is a favorite of Australia, and one of the cutest animals in the animal kingdom: the koala. It is herbivorous and lives practically all the time in trees. The name koala means animal that doesn't drink, and in fact, they obtain the water they need from the leaves they eat. Koalas' favorite trees are eucalyptus. They spend about 18 hours sleeping due to their low metabolism system and their diet having very little energy value. They look like stuffed animals. Their fur is very soft, which helps them maintain a stable body temperature in any season. The cassowary is a relative of emus, rheas, and ostriches. This would be the beautiful cousin of the family. What draws a lot of attention are the wonderful colors it has on its head and neck, with the protuberance on top of its head. They open their way through dense forests, in addition to using it as an ornament for mating and for the resonance of sounds they emit. If the relationship prospers, it is the males who incubate and take care of the offspring. Cassowaries are intelligent and observant, capable of copying human movements. They have a very friendly appearance. But make no mistake, cassowaries are considered the most dangerous birds in the world. They have huge feet and a type of spur reminiscent of the famous velociraptors from the Jurassic Park movie. Let's leave their friendly appearance only for photos. The strangest animal on our list is the platypus. Perhaps it is the strangest in the world. You tell me. It lays eggs, has a beak and duck-like feet. Its skin is waterproof like that of otters. It has a tail similar to that of a beaver. And on top of that, males have venomous spurs, which are used to defend their territory and against predators. It is semi-aquatic and lives in rivers and lakes, feeding on small freshwater crustaceans, insects, and worms. Or rather, carnivorous. We will complete our selection with the flying fox. When they were discovered by Westerners, they were related to red foxes. But it is a giant bat, the largest bat on the planet. This bat species has a large brain compared to its body size. That is why they are very intelligent and have long-term memory. Studies reveal that their intelligence is equivalent to domestic dogs. It has an almost 2-meter wingspan and weighs about 1.5 kilograms. Don't be fooled by everything you've seen in movies. These big guys only feed on fruits, seeds, and flowers. These were some of the animals that are only found in Australia. Wonderful, unique, and they remind us that our differences can contribute to healthy coexistence and more wisdom. We hope you enjoyed it and that you follow us in our new videos. Like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Thank you for watching and see you next time.